Hello, I am Miss Wang again. I'm here to show you how to, since I showed you how you guys can sync the grade from Canvas to Skyward, now I'm here to show you how to share your quizzes, I guess, within your teams or within different grade levels. So you guys can do the same thing, I guess, and also you guys can have the same thing on the lesson plan and planning all together. So I'm going to go back to my Canvas. I was on my Launchpad. I'm going to go back to my Canvas. And remember for the tutorial for Skyward, I was on Language Art, so I'm going to go back to my Language Art. Now I'm going to go under Quiz. So let's say I want to share this quiz with everybody on my team or everybody at school or whoever. So I'm on here. On the three dot on the right side, I'll be clicking on that, and it says Share to Commons. So when I click on Share to Commons, this is where you get a lot of resources. If you've been to Canvas training, this is where you get the theme for your class or different quizzes, different tests, different assignments, different modules that people have been created that you can import it to your class. So I'm on this place after you click on Share to Commons. I'm going to click on Sharing License, who can use this resource. I'll be clicking on all of Orange County Public Schools. Copyrighted, yes. Quiz 1, description. My quiz was edition quiz, which doesn't make sense, but whatever, because I said language art course, right? You have to choose an image. I don't know why. So I'll be clicking on whatever image that you have, or you can also upload from your computer. So I'll be choosing this one. Now, grade level, you can choose whatever, but I'll keep it as K through 5 because this is what we have. So K through 5, I'll be keeping it that. And you're going to click on Share. Now, my quiz has been shared. So how do I find my quiz, or how do I find somebody else's quiz? We are going to go back to search, and easiest way I found is you are going to find by the author. So I'm going to put my name, which is Yujin Huang, and if I search it, obviously no results will found for me because I'm the one who shared, because it's already under mine. So let's say I know Miss Drank, who is on maternity leave. She did a lot of different quizzes and tests last year. So I'm going to search for Angela Drank because that is her name. Angela Drank. And if I do Angela Drank, I have 48 quiz or test or different work that she has been created. So let's say I want to import one of the things that she created. Notice how she specified the week and the whatever it is. Week 16 vocabulary quiz, day 14 exit slip. So we know which one we're looking for. So let's say I want to import week 16 vocabulary quiz. I'm going to click on that. And I can see the preview. So if you are ever importing different quiz from different people that you don't know, you can always preview what's on there. And you can also look at the details, who created it and who's that for. So I'm looking at the preview, and let's say I love this quiz and I want to import it. Right here on the side, it says import or download. I'm going to click on that. Which class I'm going to import it to? I'm going to import it to my language art course. So I'm going to click on import to this course. You have successfully started the import. It may take a while. I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to go back to my language art course and make sure if the quiz has been transferred or imported over to my thing. If I look at it, week 16 vocabulary quiz is right there for my students to use. So this is how you either share your quiz or import what somebody has created. So this is how you easily share your quiz or your test or your assignment or your modules and different things within your team or within different grade levels. So this is how we do it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.